Too thick. This is tough.
You be careful, cause yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Chili, what's
Ew.
inside?
Ew.
Quítala. It's so beautiful out here.
That's a really cool tree.
That is a cool tree. What is that
Something
sound?
else.
They're running in.
I don't know, but
Okay.
Oh, that's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. All right, let's just keep going.
Yeah.
really cool.
Look at all these roots. Look at this tree.
Whoa, there's a lot of spider webs. Oh. Wait.
There.
You hear that?
What is that noise?
I hear something.
I hear something too.
I think it's Kobe. He's making his usual sounds.
It sounds like it's
Let's pass quickly, okay?
This thing is
Be careful. That looks like it's gonna fall on you.
Run right now.
Yeah.
Wait, it sounds like it's coming from like
It's getting louder and louder, isn't it?
I hope so.
Yeah.
It's probably a frog or something.
Anyways, look at these Whoa, wait, what is that?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that looks like a spider.
No, right behind
Where?
there.
What?
The green thing.
Oh my God. Julie. Angie.
What is it? I can't.
What? Let me get a close up. What? It looks like an egg, guys.
Why would there be an
That's a giant frog egg.
eggs aren't green? That is not a frog egg.
Are you sure it's a...
I am 100% sure that's not a frog egg.
Should we take it? Do you guys see like...
No, I feel like we should like call the police or something.
There's a big hole that way. There's probably... That's probably a snake egg or something.
Oh no, snake eggs aren't that green.
Why is he a hole right there? If we take it, she'll never notice because the mommy's probably inside. Chloe, should we take it?
Yeah.
Chloe said yeah. And you know he's the boss, so
Yes.
yeah. You guys want to? Angie, you want to grab it?
Okay, I'll. Oh. It's scary. There's like spider webs and everything over it. Oh, it's really heavy.
Is it heavy?
I don't think regular eggs are. Yeah, that doesn't look like a normal egg.
This is pretty heavy, guys.
Oh, yeah, that is.
Yeah.
You guys want to open it?
Yeah, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, ew, there's like stuff coming out of it.
What?
Ew. Ew.
Yeah, no.
Julie, why don't you just crack it?
Okay.
Maybe it's trying to hatch or
Okay.
something.
Maybe you should do it right there because it's like. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. This is tough.
You be careful, cause yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Julie, what's
Ew.
inside?
It's
Ah.
a dragon?
Is it a dragon?
What? Ew.
What?
Oh,
Can we see it?
Yeah.
What? What's a little baby dragon?
it's so
What?
cute. Wait. But, like,
What?
I have eggs stuck on my head.
Oh my God.
Look.
What?
Ew.
Yeah.
Wait, it's like
Oh my God. Is it moving?
I don't know.
It's not moving, guys. I think...
I think it might be sleeping.
Oh my. Can we see?
Baby.
Yeah.
Ew, Julie, what's that? Is that...
Wait, but
That's a lot of egg whites we could be cooking.
I'm
need to get a
not sure
pan.
we want to cook this. Yeah. Wait, but if this is a baby dragon, then where's the mom?
Oh, we need to get out of here, guys.